Alright, how can we create a website using SIDER AI? Well, we'll head over to the WiseBase section and go to WiseBase itself, okay? The platform itself, as you can see, we have 30 credits here for ChatGPT 5 Mini, Cloud 3.5, Gemini 2.5, and more. If we click on the web creator here, we can make a website. Alright, for example, I'm going to create a landing page for the N8N course, okay? By the way, if you sign up using the AI course link in the description, you'll get a free ebook. Now, let's click on Introduce, okay? Let's see what kind of website it can create for us. As you can see, it's going to be working on the code, alright? It's doing that now, and we're seeing a TXT file. It'll generate the website as best it can. Let's take a look at the result. As we can see, it currently has a responsive design, right? At least for mobile view. Not sure if there's more, but let's check. And here we're looking at the result. Build an automation world with N8N, learn, design, and more. We see they offer scalability over 10 projects with templates. What will you learn? Self-hosting, workflow design, real projects, performance, debugging. Okay, that's quite interesting. Here they show us a bit about the modules. The modules are quite small, but there they are. How to become an instructor. Let's see, what I miss most are the images, okay? But everything else is great, except buttons could be more interactive. If I click on pricing, it redirects me, see? It's actually a pretty cool landing page. We can select an element and modify it. Let's see how it looks on mobile. I'm nervous. And on mobile, well, it doesn't look that great. These images here don't make much sense anymore. This part looks good, and this does too. You can see how it's built. This okay? I'll explain how this really works. It basically works in blocks, alright? These blocks are predetermined. AI is trained to work with these blocks and just places them. Got it? If I regenerate a page now, it'd be almost identical, see? The images, as I said, aren't accurate. The images it used are pretty bad. We'd need to replace those images and such. But the structure is good, as it used a template. That's my take, okay? Hey, is this a decent result for an afternoon's work to start using? Of course. Is it a good final product? Well, with a few tweaks, it could look okay, but it's not groundbreaking AI-wise. But considering it's free, I'm not sure if publishing costs anything. No, it's not free, okay? I assume downloading isn't free either. As I said, it needs refinement and better aesthetics. This is a pretty basic page with minimal info, you know? So, yeah, that's what we've got here.